Well, after 2 years of owning this thing and using it, I'd say it's
still working pretty good.
Yeah, but 2 years of using this gives you this. Hair wrapped around the brush roller, dust around the bearings, so I gotta get this all cleaned up because I noticed a burning smell. So motor still spins nice and free though, so that's good. Well, trying to get this cleaned up. It's obviously been riding on the belt. Alright, that's what I've pulled out of the brush roll. I still ain't done because I got this side to do and that. It's amazing how much hair gets caught in these brush rolls, and then people just throw out the vacuum cleaner just because there's hair wrapped around and they don't know any better to fucking take the hair off of the brush roll. This prolongs the life of the machine. I'm also using my grandfather's old knife from Japan. This is probably something he picked up from the 60s when he was in Fort Dix. I got the end of the brush roller out, and yeah, definitely got some hair buildup there where it's not supposed to be. And yeah, that's disgusting. That's caked up too, so that definitely needed it. So I'm gonna get this some oil and clean this copper post. And there's the hair that came off of that. Nasty. And voila. The brush roll spins free. There we go, that's a lot better now. Here we go. Good old Kirby fashion. It puts the belt around the pulley itself. Alright, let's see if it cleans once again. I'd say that's working quite good. Now what have we here? A Sam crap stuck at 22 minutes, spinning while spitting out water. It's done this 3 fucking times. And you know what? That machine right there shouldn't even be outside. It should be in here. Because that machine would have got it done 3 fucking hours ago. Meanwhile, this piece of shit can't even handle a bed sheet, a bedspread, and 2 pillowcases. And a blanket. And I bounced a load. China pride. The spin cycle. Wumpa wumpa wumpa. Oh, come on. I didn't tell you to fucking spit out water. I told you to spin. Spin. No water. Spin. Thinking. Yeah, spin. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely can't handle this bullshit. Older washers for the win. Don't get this shit. Don't get anything modern. HE is a bunch of bullshit. Water efficiency. Fucking can't even get clothes clean with water efficiency. Thank God they at least give you a deep fill. Why does a spin cycle need water? I don't understand this. Even though this thing probably got thrown down the stairs when my parents put it outside, it still functions. Well, China Pride 0, America Made 1. Well, if we didn't have this, I don't know what the fuck I would do with that.